Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching the 6 new colors from the Essence Hidden Jungle Effect nail polish collection. So this is like a sub collection from their regular small bottle nail polish collection, and I think they are really gorgeous. I have actually pre-recorded this video in October because I really wanted to post this in October, but my schedule during Spooktober was so full already that I was like, okay, I'm just going to put it up in November. But of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's start off with all of these swatches. I have to say that for all of these 6 colors, I have only applied one coat just to show you what these polishes are capable of and how opaque they are with just one single layer. Of course, I do have longer nails, so sometimes I do need a little bit more polish to make it completely opaque or have a similar effect like it would have on shorter nails. So usually if it already looks kind of opaque with one coat on my nails, it is pretty much 90% sure it will be fully opaque on shorter nails. But the first color I'm swatching here already is called Secret Gem. This one is so gorgeous, as I mentioned, one coat and it's like 80% to 90% already opaque even on my length of nails. It is a beautiful kind of like a rusty champagne-y rose gold kind of color. There is so much dimension in each and every single color from this collection that they are quite hard to describe. But they really are really beautiful. Like every single color has a different kind of finish. So we have some glitter finishes, metallic and iridescent. So they all they do like form one cohesive like collection, but they all have their own special unique like finish and coloring, which is something that I really like. So there's definitely something for everyone in this 6-piece collection. If you don't like super glittery, you might like a more iridescent or like metallic kind of finish, and so on. So this second color is called Misty Shadows. It is definitely the darkest shade from this collection. It is a beautiful blue, but it contains super beautiful like iridescent shimmer from like green to gold to even a little bit of purple in there. It's really gorgeous, and I was really amazed with how opaque this one was with just one coat. As you can see here, just a little bit of patchiness around the cuticle area because of the brush really working with the polish, but I am pretty sure that this one will be completely opaque with one coat if you have shorter nails. Then the third color from this 6-piece collection already, this one is called Golden Hour, and I was looking at this polish and I felt like this looks so similar to something that I already have in my collection. So I pretty much dove into my nail polish stash and I found out that this one is pretty much a really good dupe for Holo Taco's encryption key polish. If you're curious about that, definitely check out my swatches. I have a whole Holo Taco playlist on my channel as well if you're really into those polishes. But this one is way less expensive because this one is only $1.99 in euros, and the Holo Taco polishes always kind of vary from like $12 towards $15 even. So yeah, if you are looking for a really good dupe for that specific polish, definitely check out this Golden Hour one from the Essence Hidden Jungle collection. It's really gorgeous though. I do have to say I find it really hard to just pick one favorite from this collection because every color is quite unique and has its own like charm, I'd say. But this one, number 4, Pink Mystery, I think it is definitely one of my favorites. Like it's up there in like the top 3 or something. It's really gorgeous. It's quite frosty. One thing I do want to mention is that even though there are some like glittery finish kind of polishes like this one, they are quite easy to remove afterwards. I didn't feel like I really had to scrub my nails or anything like that to get rid of all of the glitter particles or the polish on its own. I feel like if you're like a nail polish like soaker, if you want to soak off your polish, I mean by that, you are good to go with just like 3 minutes and it is completely off of your nails. But this one, once again, very opaque, very pink, very frosty, really gorgeous. One of my favorites, I dare to say, but then again, all of the polishes are so beautiful in this collection. And talking about beautiful polishes, just look at this one. This one is number 5, Forbidden Berry. Oh my, this one screams Christmas to me. This is like the perfect holiday season polish. Beautiful, classic, like bluish undertone red in my opinion. It does have a ton of shimmer in there. I feel like there is a little bit of orange visible and some silver-ish glitter, or at least shimmer. It isn't like super gritty glitter or anything like that. And once again, I was amazed by how fast this one was opaque. Once again, this is just one coat. Like, I kid you not, people, like I'm so excited for one coat polishes. Because like life is busy, we all have jobs, we all have like school to attend, like social stuff you have to do, like running a household in my specific like circumstances. Like life is busy and crazy, so having a couple of really good one coat polishes, oh, that's just joy in my heart. Like seriously, I love that so much. Then the 6th and final color from this collection is called Magical Emerald. This one was pretty much the only polish I felt like really needed a second coat for the sake of the video, and because I had swatched all of the other colors with one coat, I'm only going to apply one coat of this one as well, just to show you what it looks like. I do feel like this polish would be really gorgeous to just apply kind of like a special effect topper or something like that. I think it's really beautiful on top of maybe a black or a green color in what kind of shade your preference has. It's really pretty. It's very shimmery, very iridescent looking, but as you can see, my natural smile line is still peeking through a little bit too much, like to what I personally like, but it really is a lovely green polish, and I don't say that often because green is my least favorite color to apply to my nails as far as nail polishes go. But yeah, I think it's not a bad polish, it just needs a little extra love, like an extra coat. But yeah, this was my entire new swatch and review video of the Essence Hidden Jungle collection. Let me know what you think about these polishes. Is this something you would go for? And of course, let me know which one is your favorite as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.